Hi there, welcome to Sutton's Scullery. This is Elizabeth. Today I am making a third attempt at honey and beeswax soap. I don't normally use botanicals on the top of my soap. I really do like the look of them, but I just don't like to see the chunks falling off in the sink when I'm washing my hands. However, given my struggle getting a nice top for my honey and beeswax soap, I decided to just go for it with this loaf, and I'm using a few dried calendula petals on the top. I found some true bubble wrap, so I'm going to use this along the top of the loaf as well to try to create a honeycomb effect. I want the calendula petals to stay yellow, so I'll just put them on the very surface and gently kind of pat them down so they're lightly embedded in the surface of the soap.